I just remember when Sophie came on to our 10-11 noon pet segment. She had been given up because the folks could no longer take care of her, couldn't afford her dental work. So immediately I kind of felt like, oh wow, you know, she's had a stable home for 10 years and it's kind of sad that she had to be surrendered. And just a few days later we got a call saying that not only was she available, but somebody had donated all the dental work. So we were fortunate to adopt her with all her dental problems taken care of. I just remember falling in love with her when she was on the noon set because she was so sweet and so lovable. She's been a good pet for 10 years that she deserves her final years to be happy. Sophie immediately fit right in. The dogs, the two dogs here loved her, and we just kind of had a good time. Even though she was only 10 years old, she still had a lot of life in her, a lot of energy, and she didn't act like an older dog at all. So I felt that she had a lot of love and a lot of life and a lot of happiness to give. We had her for about 18 months, a year and a half, and she was actually very energetic up until the end. We just noticed some lumps on her in the summer of 2011, and we took her to the vet. The vet did diagnose it as cancer. I was thankful that we had her for the year and a half that we did. That the majority of that 18 months, she was healthy and running around and very energetic. She didn't act like a 10-year-old dog at all. It was only in the last 5 or 6 weeks that she slowed down due to the cancer. Sophie was very playful. She liked to chase a ball. She liked to play with the dogs. She brought happiness. She loved to look pretty. She was a joy for those 18 months, and I was hoping for 4 or 5 years with her just because, you know, she had so much life even at 10 years. But again, we were thankful that we had her for the 18 months we had her.
Discover your match at the Capital Humane Society.